Boys!
Hi.
We gotta clean all the mud off the truck.
Not fun.
Are you kidding me? Hey guys, how are you again? Thanks for coming back to the channel. This week we're starting a new segment on Keep It Dirty Off-Road. We're going to be doing product testing. We're going to try to feature new products, test them out on the truck, see how they do, and give you guys an honest review. Today we're taking a look at solving one of our common problems, and that's how to clean the undercarriage. So we're looking at a pressure washer attachment that'll help us clean up the undercarriage of the truck. And it's basically one of these guys. It's a little attachment, and we're hoping that it's going to help us clean off a lot of the mud from under the truck. You know, right now we spend hours cleaning the underside of the truck. Depending on how bad the mud is, it could take us 3 to 4 hours to get all the mud rinsed off the truck. That doesn't even count washing the truck. So we're hoping this little guy is going to save us a bit of time and a lot of heartache when it comes to cleaning the truck. So let's go try it out. So because we're using our own money here, we decided to get a generic brand that we saw on Amazon, and we got this one because it comes with 2 extensions along with the 4 nozzle sprays. We're hoping the extensions allow us a little bit more reach so we can get all the little nooks and crannies under the truck. Fully assembled, we get pretty good spray, but it is a little flimsy, and you'll see it as we start using it later. But first we got to get the truck set up and get it all raised up so we can get under there and get every last bit of mud and be able to actually see what we're doing. Now as far as mud, this is a very mild amount of mud underneath the truck. We've had quite a bit more, but it's pretty, you know, it's about what most people are going to have, so it's a good test to see how well this thing is going to function. So with the 2 attachments, you actually get some pretty good reach. We're able to get well into halfway or more middle of the truck and get quite a bit of mud going on. I mean, you could see how dirty the water's coming off of it, and even though the truck's raised, it's actually getting pretty good spray. I did try to lift it up because, you know, while it is some pretty good spray, pressure was down on our pressure washer. This thing's actually rated to be used for 2,500 PSI. My pressure washer can only go up to 2,000, so it could benefit from more pressure. Now here's where the pressure washer attachment really shines in cleaning the wheel wells. Usually to get these cleaned properly all the way, I had to get on the ground in order to really spray under there. With this attachment, I could just roll it back and forth on the tire and really get all that mud out of the wheel wells pretty well. So overall, I did an okay job. I didn't get it all. There was a little bit of mud left over, but overall I did a pretty good job of getting the majority of it out. So, you know, even though I didn't get it all, I wish it would probably perform a little bit better. It is still going to save us quite a bit of time. But, you know, we did have to go back in and respray a lot of the areas again because, you know, a lot of these little corners inside the tubes and all that stuff it didn't quite get. So we had to get the regular pressure washer and get on our backs again and clean it all up. So overall, guys, this is a product we're definitely going to keep in our tool bag. It really helped loosen up a lot of the dirt and a lot of the mud that was in the truck, but it didn't get it all. If you guys saw, we still had to get under the truck and clean off most of the stubborn mud. And maybe it could have been because we needed a more powerful pressure washer. We used a pressure washer that can only go up to 2,000 PSI, and the manufacturer recommends going as high as 2,500 PSI. So maybe that'll improve it, but either way, it's still really good at getting in there and loosening up all that mud. And it saved us hours, and that's the big thing. It saved us hours on cleaning and rinsing the bottom of the truck. Now, if you want to go ahead and get one of these, this is just a generic one that we got. I have it linked up on my Amazon page. So if you guys gonna go check that out, check out my influencers page. We have a list of a ton of products that we use. There's no product on there that we don't use on a regular basis, and it's products I recommend. So go check it out, and you know, for $37 is a worthwhile upgrade. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and help us grow. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you want to send me an email, you can at keepitdirtyoffroad@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.